right, I'm here with Bill Eubanks. He's been my personal insurance guy for a long time. And I got a question for you, Bill. The insurance industry is like changing big time. Premiums are going up 40 to 60%. Insurance deductibles are going from 1% to 2 or 3% or even more. It's unbelievable. So tell me, what the heck is going on in the insurance industry? And enlighten all of us homeowners, like how do we navigate the waters right now?
I tell you, I've been doing this for 30 years and I've never seen the across the board rate increases that we're seeing now. Now, what's causing that? I think inflation. Inflation is the key indicator right now of why our rates are going up. Another huge increase we're having is based on our freeze from a few years back. That was a $10 billion loss, John. So when insurance companies are losing money on losses like that, their recourse is to raise the rates. Anywhere from 20 to 40% is probably the average rate increase that I'm seeing right now for my customers. It's the one I personally received as a consumer as well. Unfortunately, I don't get the I sell insurance discount. So as a consumer, I feel the same type of pressure that you guys are feeling. I guess on a positive side, you talked about the companies that are raising rates and raising deductibles. We've got a lot of companies that are pulling out of Texas, not writing in North Texas, not renewing business in North Texas. And we're not talking about small insurance companies. We're talking about large insurance companies that have been around for a long time. So not only are the rates going up and the deductibles are going up, but we're seeing a lot of carriers exiting the market completely.
So we got carriers exiting in Texas. We got some of them I've heard that said they only cover houses up to 500,000 or 600,000 maybe. They limit their, what they're gonna write insurance on. You actually are set up in a way to have multiple options so you can find the best deal. That's kind of the way I think of your business. Like, how are you navigating these changes for your customers?
Well, it's a difficult market. It does require a little more effort on our part. But yes, I became an independent agent about 17 years ago. And that does give me what I call more bullets in my gun for my customers. It enables me to really work for the customer and not the companies that we're representing. I am able to shop rates to a lot of different companies. And in a hard market like this, that does help my customers when I can have a few more options than, say, your captive agent on the corner.
In mortgage, our rates went up a lot, so people naturally shop us more. They're finding out that it's kind of the same everywhere. How are you handling that?
Well, education. I'm trying to educate the customer as much as we can. As a consumer, a lot of times all they see is the increase, and they see that they personally haven't made any claims. And a lot of customers don't understand that, insurance is a shared risk. We're in a pool, and when our state of Texas, whether it be North Texas or coastal areas, Texas in general, when the entire state has larger than normal losses, even though you've had no losses yourself, it's going to go up. So sometimes there's an education process in that you can be perfect as a policyholder, not have any claims, but yet you're still going to be affected in a very similar manner as those who have had rate increases. So that is hard for a customer to understand, but it is part of insurance, unfortunately. A few of the key rate indicators that we're seeing here in Texas are going to be your age of your roof. If I had to pick one or two items, it's going to be the age of your roof and in your business, credit. Those are some of the two major factors that we're looking at as a key rate indicator. And of course, the age of the house. So the age of the house and the age of the roof are huge. And then the customer's personal credit is very important as well. So those items, if you're looking for a house, a newer house with a newer roof, will typically, with good credit, are going to give you some of the better rates that we can offer. Just like our groceries and everything else, inflation is taking over right now. All I can say is that do our best to save where we can. Being a good consumer being a smart consumer is smart. If you feel as though you need to shop your rates, you should shop your rates and see if you can save some money. I'm not seeing huge, I'm seeing probably, 2 out of 10 maybe that we're shopping that we're actually saving some money. So it's not abnormal right now that we're going to have to take our rate increases that we're seeing. And hopefully the market will soften again next year.
All right. I appreciate your time, Bill. That's good information.
No problem, John. I really do appreciate the opportunity to talk to you a little bit about insurance, and I appreciate everything you've done for me over the years in your business.
Yep. Partnership. That's what it's all about.
That's right.